So welcome back guys to the sewing part of this tutorial. At this point I've gone ahead to attach my material to the lining. So I just simply secured it with pins. I'm just going to run a stitch on each side of the triangles. I'll just run a stitch round to hold it in place. So yeah, at this point we are coupling the black and the white material together. Mind you, this is the wrong side, this is also the wrong side. So yeah, of course, right side facing right side. You just run a stitch on each side, making sure you fetch little at the beginning of the angle to avoid bulging at the end of your seam. So yeah, I'll just couple this together, and I'll do the same thing for the rest of the white materials. I fixed 4 on the other side and 2 on the other panel respectively. So yeah, let's run the stitch together. Believe in him and believe in him. As you said all the time. So yeah, I'm done coupling this, and the next step to do is attaching the front panel to the back panel. So yeah, you can see how I attach the white material. I attached 4 on the other panel and 2 on the front panel, and I also secured the sleeve and the sides with pins so it can be easier to run a stitch on. And yeah, I'll just run a stitch from the sleeve to the sides and down to the hem. I'll do this for both sides, and that is pretty much it. And I'll also hem the front, the neckline, and the hem also. If you have a weaving machine, you can weave at this point. This is pretty much it. Make sure you're arranging as you're sewing. So yeah. So as we are running the stage, let me use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and the new subscribers. Welcome on board. I really appreciate your effort. If you have derived any value from this video, this is the point. Yes, to subscribe like, and if you're extra generous, you can share. And yeah, thank you so much. As you're running the stitch, make sure you're arranging your material so that it will be equal at the end of everything. You don't want one side to be longer than the other, and when you're sewing, make sure you don't drag, because the organza is not elastic, so that it will not end up looking funny at the end of the day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video again. So at this point, we're almost through with stitching on all sides. If you have watched to this point, well done and thank you. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye, and enjoy a clip of how my client rocked this dress.